Adding quizzes to your Udemy course significantly boosts student engagement and knowledge retention. Udemy's enhanced quiz builder makes this process simple and effective. The platform supports multiple question types, including multiple choice, multiple select, fill in the blank, and drag and drop questions. Each type serves different learning objectives. You can customize passing scores, allow unlimited attempts, and provide automatic grading with instant feedback. The quiz editing interface gives you complete control over settings. Udemy offers 4 main quiz types: practice activities for knowledge reinforcement, graded assessments that count toward completion, knowledge checks between lectures, and comprehensive final evaluations. The benefits are substantial. Courses with quizzes show 68% higher engagement rates. Students spend 45% longer on quiz-enabled courses, and instructors report 25% fewer support requests. Effective quiz design starts with proven best practices. The foundation is Bloom's taxonomy, which helps create questions that progress from basic knowledge recall to higher-order thinking skills like analysis and creation. Key design principles include providing clear instructions, balancing question difficulty, and ensuring direct alignment with your learning objectives. Always randomize both questions and answer choices to prevent cheating. Current trends in quiz design focus on engagement and personalization. Micro-learning assessments break content into smaller, digestible chunks, while gamification elements like points and badges increase student motivation. Looking ahead, artificial intelligence will personalize quiz experiences based on individual learning patterns. Voice-activated assessments and blockchain verification for certificates represent the cutting edge of educational technology. Industry experts provide valuable insights. Mark Rodriguez, a top Udemy instructor, found that courses with scenario-based questions have 20% higher completion rates than traditional multiple-choice formats. Dr. Sarah Chen, an educational technology researcher, emphasizes that frequent, low-stakes quizzes can improve retention rates by up to 35% when they feel like learning tools rather than evaluation hurdles. For optimal results, design quizzes with 5 to 10 questions and set passing scores between 70 and 80%. This balance ensures thorough assessment while maintaining student motivation and course completion rates.